Sanchez.
Any tune, any tune.
Jamaica.
10 more dollars.
$10 more, $10 more.
Now pack. Put it
$10 more, $10 more.
Give me a $10.
$10 more, $10 more.
And 30 more.
Alright, 30 more.
Oh yeah, chest side.
Buy too big.
You know how you do, Jimmy?
Bag.
See $10, go for $10.
One month.
You have to run the tune, you know.
What you want here?
Any tune.
Jamaica is island in the no. Jamaica is island just 620.
Hold on, I don't hear what you say.
Jamaica is island just 21. We get to independent from the country England. 1962 we start the celebration. Thanks to Sir Alex and Daddy Norman, the originator, the Arawak man, the saxophone master Mr. Danjaman, Min Sweet, Millie Small Toots and the metal. And it's them tune I can dance. And it's a 67 keep on island, 68 Desmond McCammon Festival. With girls like Sun, Tomat,
Rock on the tune,
69 them stop you with the shilling with the lion. And so you get to know so we are general. In the 1914 they make an invasion. And that means freedom for the black nation. But that only sans certain sufferation. And the river from the back to the chain up on the hand. They carry a USF just to free black man. And out of the 7-1 was a woman. The price of Marcus, through him a black man. And them a fight war with the inspiration. Before Jamaica and Arawak Indian. The greatest pirate were Henry Morgan. The world great Babas the King musician. I tell the flag of the Arawak Indian. You see me now, they see me diving in the ocean. And 1947 they talk about destruction. And 1744 they talk about rebellion. With Paul Bogle and Mr. George William. But Jamaica is island in the Caribbean Sea. Between latitude 17 and 18.
You know what I'm saying, man?
7,000 square miles of property. 4,000 square miles of Miami. Or the hardest part we reach that a Blue Mountain Peak. Me I tell you now what 7,400 feet. Well a high flag of the your Mike MC. Jaman we come to tell you about Jamaican history. When Columbus discovered 1492. And one day after we did discovery. Since when they have the capture we come cheap boat. Royal became the
Sanchez, just piece of Sanchez bunny.
And they say any man can come out the treasury. In 1833, they abolished slavery. The English are the Maroon and them sign a treaty. The first politician, Buster and Manley. The first world cricketer, George Headley. 62 was independence, yeah, Jamaican. First festival song was at a Bam Bam. It's done by the Triple Toots and the Metal. And we have a population of 2 million. The 79 flood is sink Westmoreland. The best money here in a bankside mineral. When you go on Negril, you see the Castro land. That's how you get to know so we are regional. Do you know about my island?
You know, Madina? You know.